Hi guys, I have linupa, coffee, and later gagawa ako ng siomai. Siomai. Oh my god, another breakfast. We have a bunch of breakfast to do this morning. Or like whispering because our daughter is sleeping. So dobre. I don't know, I expected too much the banana taste, but it tastes like what I'm cooking last time. The cassava. Suman. Dami one slice also. You. Ang sarap ng breakfast namin ngayon. Ang dyan niya eh. Para sa dobre. Before ayaw ko nito ng ham. Kasi parang hilaw ba? Ganito sa Europe eh. And now na hospital ako. Kasi so fresh yung ano nila bread. And meron silang ginagamit na mas sofa dito na ham. Ang sobrang tarap. Wala akong choice. So yun yung kinakain ko doon and then later on. Kasi sa bahay masyadong matigas yung bread namin. Oh, I suppose the video will bread. Oh, it's too fresh. So I didn't feel the thickness. Kasi pag matagal na yung bread, matigas na siya. Hype yung asawa ko. She's sweet na mamaya ito pa ko rin. Oh, princess is Natalia just woke up and she slept like 1.5 hours. Yummy. She said yummy.
You want?
No. I'm gonna have a little bite. No, to may sa kapusta next. You have to check your nose or something.
making siomai, I'm gonna rate 7 out of 10 kasi hindi siya masyadong sobrang niya, dami niyang meat. One is 9 over 10. Sobrang sarap niya kasi mas dinami ko yung marahib, yung carrots ba. And then the third one is 10-10. Siomai, ginawa ko lang siya with marahib also and melone, minso, yung giniling. Ayan, sinalang ko na siya. Pinakasya ko lang talaga.